Dawn il-kanuni jmorru lura għal 500 sena ilu meta kienu jintużaw fi żmien il-kavallieri biex jagħtu salut lil vapuri li jkunu daħlu fil-port il-kbir. Fi żmien l-Ingliżi kellhom ukoll ir-rwol importanti ħafna x'kien jagħtu sinjal biex il-vapuri jikkalibraw l-istrumenti tagħhom. Illum il-ġurnata dan il-post huwa biss attrazzjoni turistika. Mhux tab xejn li kull min sema b'Malta jew żar pajjiżna jkollu xewqa li jerġa' jiġi. Il-klima u l-istorja li toħodna lura l-5000 sena b'tempji li affaxxinaw lil pajjiżi kollha madwar id-dinja jieqpaw fost il-fatturi ewlenin li jħajru turisti minn madwar id-dinja kollha iżuru pajjiżna. U fuq kollox it-turiżmu f'pajjiżna huwa kruċjali għall-ekonomija tal-pajjiż. Iżda x'jagħmel lil Malta differenti minn pajjiżi oħra?
So many different culture parts included.
Historical things to see and
Okay, thanks. It-toma bnina tal-ikel tradizzjonali Malti jidher li huwa parti kbira mill-ingredient turistiku f'pajjiżna.
It's kind of special, because it's a lot of things to see in Malta, At the same time you have good weather and you have the possibilities to swim and to rest on a beach, So it's everything in a small area. Yeah, exactly. So good food.
Well, definitely the beautiful weather, the influences of the different cultures throughout the years that are still present in the city of Valletta, but also on the island, and the good food, very good food.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
One News tkellem ma' tfajla li kienet qed tapprezza sbuħija tal-port il-kbir.
The food's more like seafood, which is nice. The people are very friendly and everybody speaks English, which is really helpful. And it's really nice. I enjoyed my trip. Yeah.
Kopji oħra tiddeskrivi lil Malta bħala post uniku.
Friendly people, warm weather, and the history, the story behind it all, and the war stories and things. It's a unique island.
Huwa ferm importanti li bħala poplu Malti u Għawċin nibżaw għal-wirt ta' pajjiżna li tant qed jagħmel isem mad-dinja kollha u jattira eluf ta' turisti li jżommu r-rota ekonomika għaddejja minn sena l-oħra.